Now let's see how to change the default currency in MYOB. Right now we are booking all the transaction and it is mentioned in rupees. So that's automatically picked up. That's because in the starting position, if you change the system settings, it automatically picks up rupees. For example, when we install Windows, by default the currency and all the date settings are according to US. If I change from there only, it will automatically change in the all the softwares as well. So let's check. If I adjust date and time, uh, I'm using Windows 2010 right now. So adjust date and time and regional format, additional date and time settings, set date and time, change date and time, change calendar settings, additional settings, and let's check currency. So my currency is by default rupees. So if you also mention rupees in the starting point, then it will show all the currency in rupees. But since you don't have these settings in the starting, so it might be showing all the currencies in dollars. So there is an easy way of changing that as well. I'll go to setup and click on easy setup assistant and click on customize. Now from here I'll just enable multiple currencies option in MYOB. I'll click next and then click next again, then click next. Just tick this option, I deal in multiple currencies, and click OK. So it will just take some time to process. Now let's continue. I'll click next, click next, 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 and just don't change anything. I'll just click next and close and close. Now I have enabled multiple currencies option in MYOB. Now let's see how to change the currency. Now I'll go to the list and click on currencies. Now some of the currencies are already created by default, but my default currency right now is Australian dollars, and you can see that local is marked with it. That means by default this is selected, and the symbol sign is dollar sign. So instead of creating a new currency and then making it as default, I'll just double click on this one and change all the symbols and details for it. Like for AUD is the currency code, I'll change it to PKR, and currency name is Pak rupees, and currency symbol is RS dot. Now position of current symbol, before number, before currency, default number of decimal places after the digits is this, display leading zeros. All settings, all the remaining settings are all okay. Just you need to change this default settings, and if I click on OK, it will just take some time to change all the existing records to Pak rupees. And if I click on cancel now if I want to enter any sale, for example, so when I come under the price area, it will show RS dot as the currency. So this is how we change currency easily in MYOB.